million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive.
Hey, I'm back with some human hair drip, and y'all know human hair really ain't my thing. I keep that 100% transparent. But I feel like if you are going to get human hair, you need to get human hair that is of good quality. And I cannot lie, this company we have worked with before, and I really like them. I just don't know how to pronounce their name. It's Kriyya. Kriyya Hair. I don't know how to pronounce it, but they have given us some real bangers. And y'all know there have been some human hair companies in the past that were trash. I said they was trash and we moved on. Period. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it transparent with you. So they sent me over another human hair wig. I have no idea what's in this box because y'all know I'm unprofessional. I don't know. Let's open it together, sis. Okay. Oh, please don't be a headband wig. I see a headband. Let's hope not, because I'm tired of them. Stocking caps in the box and a headband, and it is not. Y'all, this is one of my favorite types of wigs to wear. It is a bang unit. Oh, y'all. I love bangs, and I don't know if it's for the fall. I don't know if it's because I wear these doggone off the shoulder tops. The bangs just do something to me. Ooh, and look how heavy them bangs are. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's look, okay? In the back, no comb, you get adjustable straps. This wig should be affordable then. And ain't no doggone combs in the front or no lace. This thing better be affordable. Click that link. I know they give me a coupon code, but click that link in the description box and see. Go see, sis. Oh, Lord, okay? Let me put on a stocking cap and put that on, okay? Matter of fact, let me grab my flat iron and heat that up. I plugged up my flat iron because I didn't know if you was going to need it or not. But off top, this seems very easy. It seems very cute. Sorry, I'm defrosting pork chops. Shut up. Y'all. I love bangs. Taking some lint out of my brush. And I don't know if it's like I said, for the fall or whatever, but bangs are just my jam. Okay, this is a throw on and go unit for me. Okay, let me stand up so you can see. This is the length on me. I'm not sure what length this is, but if you look in the description box, I'll put those details for you. Okay, I'm gonna run my flat iron through it. Actually, I'm gonna do that on camera. Normally I fast forward, but let's see how easily this flat irons. I just got my flat iron on 400 degrees. Woo-hoo. Yup. Okay. See that piece that's flat iron compared to that in the back that wasn't? And I'm just doing huge chunks because y'all know ain't nothing about me a professional. Okay, this side has been flat iron. That's what you want to call it because I barely flat ironed it. Okay, let me run my flat iron through this other side in the bangs and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Gorgeous. This wig is absolutely easy. I love this heavy bang. Okay, y'all know I didn't really flat. Y'all saw me. I was just doing big chunks. But if you took your time with this, it would, you know, of course, be even better. But this is it, y'all. Me just haphazardly running my flat iron through it, and I'm absolutely in love with some boots, a little vest, a little boots. This it. Just look up. Yes, ma'am. Y'all, this is a whole look. I definitely recommend this one, and it should be affordable. But I'm thinking, due to the length, it might be a tinge on the spin your coin side. Okay, but I can't say I vouch for it. Okay, I can't say that. This it, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, you don't have to get the link that I got. I'm not sure what link this is. Look in the description box and you will see. But sis, this is a whole look. This is super, super cute. So once again, I will say that this company that I can't pronounce, Kriyya Hair, definitely recommend them. Y'all look at that. Until next time, y'all. Let me show you that link all to the back. I don't know if I screwed up to show you. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.